Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay guys, now you want to remove your lid because you want to change the color on top, or you just want to replace it. All you gotta do is open it up. Once it's open like this, what you have to do is pry underneath with your tool and it will pop just like that. Now this mechanism, guys, is only have these tabs. It's 3 in the front, 1, 2, 3, and 2 in the back, here and here. And let me show you here, these are the clips that you are looking for. 1 right here, 2 and 3, 2 in the back, 1 and 2. So when you put it back on, you gotta be sure that it goes into the slit. It's all it takes, it's not that complex, very simple. Now when it comes to the upholstery, all you gotta do is remove that staples for that vinyl and put the leather of the vinyl, the new vinyl, back in place. That was all it was, guys, and that's the removal and reinstallation for your console lid in the 2015 Mini Cooper. If you know any better way, put it in the comments, and if you have questions, put them there too. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.